Welcome to Ez English. I'm so glad you're here today. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to shop at the market or grocery store in English. Specifically, we'll practice how to ask about prices. This is a very useful skill for everyday life. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. When you go to a market or a grocery store, you need to ask questions. The most important question is, how much does this cost? Let's practice that sentence together. How much does this cost? Repeat after me. How much does this cost? Very good. There are many ways to ask about prices in English. Let me teach you the most common ones. First way, how much is this? This is very simple and very common. You can use this when you're holding something or pointing at something. Let me say it again slowly. How much is this? Now you try. How much is this? Excellent. Second way, how much does this cost? We already practiced this one. It's a little more formal, but still very natural. Say it with me. How much does this cost? Good job. Third way, what's the price of this? This is another polite way to ask. Listen carefully. What's the price of this? Repeat after me. What's the price of this? Wonderful. Now, let's imagine you're at the market. You see some apples. You want to know the price. What do you say? You can say, how much are these apples? Notice, we use are because apples is plural. Let's practice. How much are these apples? Say it again. How much are these apples? Great. Now, let's say you see one watermelon. You ask, how much is this watermelon? This time we use is because it's singular. One watermelon. How much is this watermelon? Repeat. How much is this watermelon? Perfect. Let me give you more examples. Listen and repeat. How much is the bread? Repeat after me. How much is the bread? How much are the tomatoes? Repeat. How much are the tomatoes? How much is this bottle of water? Repeat. How much is this bottle of water? How much are the bananas? Repeat. How much are the bananas? You're doing so well. Let's continue. Now, what does the shopkeeper say? How do they answer? The shopkeeper might say, it's $5, or they're $3. Listen to this short conversation. You. How much is this bread? Shopkeeper. It's $2. You. Okay, I'll take it. Let's practice that conversation together. I'll be the shopkeeper and you repeat the customer's part. You say, how much is this bread? I say, it's $2. You say, okay, I'll take it. Excellent work. Let's try another one. You, how much are these oranges? Shopkeeper, they're $4 per kilogram. You, okay, I'll take 1 kilogram. Now, you practice the customer's lines. You say, how much are these oranges? I say, they're $4 per kilogram. You say, okay, I'll take 1 kilogram. Fantastic. Sometimes you want to ask about the price per unit. For example, per kilogram, per pound, or per piece. You can ask, how much is it per kilogram? Repeat after me. How much is it per kilogram? Good. Or, how much is it per pound? Repeat. How much is it per pound? Nice. Or, how much is it per piece? Repeat. How much is it per piece? Very good. Let me give you a full example. You're at the market. You see some carrots. You ask, excuse me, how much are the carrots? The shopkeeper says, they're $2 per kilogram. You say, okay, I'll take 2 kilograms, please. Let's practice your part again. You say, "Excuse me, how much are the carrots?" I say, "They're $2 per kilogram." You say, "Okay, I'll take 2 kilograms, please." Wonderful. Now, sometimes you want to compare prices. You might say, "Is this cheaper than that?" Repeat after me. "Is this cheaper than that?" Or, "Which one is cheaper?" Repeat. "Which one is cheaper?" Great. Here's another useful phrase. Do you have anything cheaper? This means you want something that costs less money. Let's say it together. Do you have anything cheaper? Repeat. Do you have anything cheaper? Excellent. Now let's practice a longer conversation. Listen first, then we'll practice together. You, "Excuse me, how much is this milk?" Shopkeeper, "It's $3. You, "And how much is that milk over there?" Shopkeeper, "That one is $2.50. You, "Okay, I'll take the cheaper one." Now, let's practice your lines. Repeat after me. "Excuse me, how much is this milk?" And, "How much is that milk over there?" "Okay, I'll take the cheaper one." Perfect. Let me teach you a few more useful phrases for shopping. When you want to buy something, you can say, "I'll take it." Repeat, "I'll take it." Or, "It's not one of you pose, I'll buy this." Repeat, "I'll buy this." If you don't want to buy it, you can say, "No, thank you." Repeat, "No, thank you." Or, "That's too expensive. I'll buy this." Repeat, "I'll buy this. I'll buy this." If you don't want to buy it, you can say, "No, thank you." Repeat, "No, thank you." Or, "That's too expensive." Repeat, "That's too expensive." Let's practice one more full conversation. This time, you'll hear the whole dialogue, then we'll practice together. You, "Hello, how much are these strawberries?" Shopkeeper, "They're $5 per box." You, "That's a little expensive. Do you have anything cheaper?" Shopkeeper, "Yes, those strawberries are $3 per box." You, "Great, I'll take 2 boxes, please." Shopkeeper, "Sure, that's $6 total." You, "Here you go, thank you." Shopkeeper, "You're welcome." Now, let's practice your part step by step. You say, "Hello, how much are these strawberries?" You say, "That's a little expensive. Do you have anything cheaper?" You say, "Great, I'll take 2 boxes, please." You say, "Here you go. Thank you." Wonderful job. Let me give you some important vocabulary words for the market. Apples. Repeat. Apples. Bananas. Repeat, bananas. Tomatoes. Repeat, tomatoes. Carrots. Repeat, carrots. Bread. Repeat, bread. Milk. Repeat, milk. Eggs. Repeat, eggs. Chicken. Repeat, chicken. Rice. Repeat, rice. Water. Repeat, water. Great work. Remember, when you go shopping, these are the key phrases. 1. How much is this? 2. How much are these? 3. What's the price? 4. Do you have anything cheaper? 5. I'll take it. Let's say them all together one more time. Repeat after me. How much is this? How much are these? What's the price? Do you have anything cheaper? I'll take it. Excellent! You now know how to ask about prices in English. Practice these phrases every day. Try to imagine you're at the market and speak out loud. Well done! You've learned how to ask about prices at the market and grocery store in English. Keep practicing these sentences every day. Don't forget to subscribe to Ez English and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next video. Happy learning!